What's up, y'all? It's Talib Kweli, and I'm right on time for summertime.
Aquatic to summertime, everyone. Today, still here at the Locks Experience. I'm here with Mr. Talib Kweli. How you doing today?
How are you, young lady?
I'm doing amazing. What about you?
I'm doing amazing. It's good that you're doing amazing instead of just okay. I
Yeah.
like that.
Well, I gotta be amazing. Just keep up the energy.
That's right.
But today, we're celebrating the Locks. How does it feel for you to celebrate?
The Locks experience. The Locks are one of the most important groups of hip hop. Um, they've never broken up. They always keep it together. They always keep it tight, and they show us the importance of black men sticking together.
Yes, and that's very important.
It is.
Now, for the Locks, what's your favorite song or verse from them of all time without any cursing?
Oh man, I like. Welcome to D Block. I like Ride or Die. I like Money, Power, Respect. I like them individually as much as I like them as a group.
Yes. And that's important because that means that you like each of their skills and you like them together
Yes.
as a group. That's dope.
Yes.
Now, you, Mr. Talib Kweli, I was able to see you at the Chance the Rapper and Mr. Dave Chappelle conversation.
That's right. You were there.
Yes, I was. How was that for you?
That was amazing. Shout out to Chance the Rapper and Vic Mensa
Yes.
and the work that they did in making sure that all these artists powwowed and got together and came to the motherland. It wasn't my first time in Ghana, but it was my first time at something like that. And he called it the Black Star
Yeah, the Black
Festival,
Star Line Festival.
which is Black Star Line Festival, which for me that means a lot because
Yes.
that means a lot.
Yeah, we all should know. Like, come on, guys. Black Star. Black Star.
She know.
Yep. I lived there. Been living there for 4 years.
Okay.
So to see you over there, that gave me a lot of joy.
I love it.
Now, what was it like for you going there the first time?
Wow. To Africa in general, it was like a completion. It was like a completing the circle. I feel like every black person, every person who has ancestors in Africa, if they can make it, because not all of us are privileged to go, but if they can make it, they should try to get home and try to touch where we come from. Race is a social construct. Race doesn't even exist. We all human beings are the same thing. But people who descended from Africa, we have something in common in terms of how the construct of race puts us in boxes and tries to oppress us. So we have that in common. So when we see each other, we should celebrate each other, and we should all try to get back to where we came from so that we can feel strong in our foundation.
Yes, that's very important.
Yes.
And the fact that you were able to go to Africa in general and be able to feel complete, that's dope. Because when I moved to Ghana, since I'm Ghanaian, it was like, hey, I was finally able to realize another part of myself.
Yes.
I was able to experience what it was like living there.
Yes.
And then the fact that Ghana's given so much to me with everything, with me being a TV host over there, with them supporting me in every angle that I'm doing this, and I just got to give back to Ghana because, I feel like once you go over there, you see things different.
Yes.
Nothing's the same for you anymore. You are grateful for everything that God gives you there and here. You realize the beauty in everything, the beauty in nature. You just realize everything that you took for granted before.
Yes, that's real Black Star power right there.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you. Now, what was it like experiencing the Black Star Line Festival for you?
It was amazing seeing all those artists, seeing them connect with the African fans, and just seeing how the infrastructure of the city and how people move different. It was a great learning experience.
Yes. Now, do you know any of the words in Ghana?
No, I mean I know the Akan people and the Kwaba and
Yes.
things like that of that nature. But
Do you know the day of the week that you were born on?
I do not. But my brother's name is Jamal. So what day of the week is he born?
You can get the day
Okay.
and where he was born on, then I could give it to you. So let's say that you were born on a Wednesday, you'll be Kweku.
Quite cool, yeah.
And if
Shout out to Kwaku the Traveler.
yeah, shout out to Kweku Traveler. Black Sheriff, shout out to all the Kwekus in Ghana, shout out to
Yes.
all the Kwekus around the world.
Shout out to all the Quellies.
Yeah, shout out to all the Kwekus. I like that. I like
Yes.
that. And shout out to all the Kwesies.
Yes, yes.
Now, I'm going to teach you two other words.
Okay.
Etisen, which means how are you?
Say it again.
Etisen.
Etese.
Perfect. Medasi, which means thank you.
Madasi.
Right. So when you go back to Ghana, you can use those words.
Madasi.
And they will find out you're dating for you.
Okay,
They will find out
yes.
you're dating.
Yes.
And until next time on
Till
Summertime.
next time.